Hello, I am Benita Awakan. Before I start, I just wanted to say thank you, Sir Nick, for the beautiful quotes and inspiring words that motivate me to aim higher. I felt that I was just like in a seminar and not in a class, learning how to progress my capabilities and outgrow my personality. Since childhood, I always thought of success meant earning a degree and working on your dream job. That was my biggest ambition. But when I achieved that, I still felt that something is still missing. And I realized that success is not just reaching one goal. It's about constantly growing and finding a purpose. That realization brought me here to Canada. I saw amazing opportunities for nurses, so I take a leap of faith and try something new. I am really passionate of caring others. Helping people brings me a sense of fulfillment. I am also passionate about singing. I'll admit I'm not blessed with a golden voice, but it makes me happy and it's a fun way to connect others. My core values, integrity, respect, curiosity, empathy, and happiness have been with me since childhood. Over the years, they've grown stronger and helped me shape how I approach life and work. Curiosity helps me learning. Empathy helps me connect with people. And happiness reminds me to stay positive even on tough days. Integrity especially is important. It is a foundation of trust in everything I do. These values guide me and keep me focused on my journey of becoming the best version of myself. Thank you.